Hello guys, welcome to the Venzi Tech. Today I'll be showing you guys or giving you guys access to a free course I have. It's actually paid, not fully free, but I'm actually giving you guys for free. You can get to learn about video editing. Yes, you're going to learn about video editing. Everything from how to do storytelling, your camera setting, lighting, audio, and camera practice, staging, and how to edit them with Premiere Pro. Yeah, Premiere Pro is one of the most sophisticated editing software out there, out of many. I think if you check on the Google out the best editing software, you get Premiere Pro on the top 5. So this is actually a handy course you can learn and go out there to get a digital skills to work for people. You can work for a church or do video adverts, run editing for people, run production editing, and so on and so forth. You can even learn how to learn from the video staging and all that and storytelling. You can go to filmmaking. Yeah, you can actually use some of those skills in filmmaking. So without wasting more time, this is the Vezin Tech. We share courses, we teach courses, we learn digital skills from programming, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and so on and so forth. So please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, click on the notification bell below and the subscribe button to get subscribed and notified whenever I drop a video. So without not wasting much time, let me just walk you through the course and how it works. For those of us who don't know how Mega works, Mega is actually a platform where you drop courses, and if you want to learn video editing, it's actually a good skills that is actually paramount these days, because there are a lot of businesses are going online and they will need video adverts. You can go down there to do video adverts for them. So you can see these are the courses. I just made them in a list view by clicking on this button. So you can see there's a storytelling, there's camera for video, the kind of camera you're supposed to use. You can use, like, I'm actually shooting this video with the camera of my laptop. You can use your phone. Yes, there's a software you can use on your phone that will actually give you a good quality. I'm going to do a video on how to do that soon. Then this is your lighting. You don't need too much lighting, the kind of lighting you need, and how to set those lightings. We have different types of lights. This is on audio for video. There's how to work with your audio, how to get audio, and how to separate audios, how to edit audios for your video clips. So this is how you go for it. And camera practice, how to do camera settings and all that. Production staging, how to set your stage for production. Then this is Premiere Pro. The rest is on Premiere Pro, how to organize your file, how to separate file, how to do some editing effects, how to add lots into your videos. And the last one is gear. So the tools you need to start. Maybe you need a tripod stand or a selfie camera, a selfie stand or thereabouts, or ring light. Anything you're going to need is on this video. So it's actually an interesting course. It's not really large. You can click down here to download the file as a zip file, and you can watch them manual. Let's say, okay, you actually know about video, you want to see, don't know about storytelling, you can click down here and download or play the course individually. So that is it. Let me know whatever courses you would like to see that I've actually not dropped so far, and let me know your opinion about this video. Please leave a comment below if you watched this video and it's actually adding a value to you. Click on the subscribe button, and bye for now.